This is seat covers for Nissan Frontier. Upgrade your ride with Cat Mesh Flex seat covers for style and protection. Enjoy durable protection against spills and wear with a sleek two-tone design. Breathe easy with mesh back comfort, keeping you cool on every drive. Installation is a breeze. Watch our videos for a quick, hassle-free setup. Transform your vehicle today. Click to explore and enhance your cover for CAS. Meet the BDK Polypro car seat covers, your car's new best friend. Ultimate protection? Check. Comfort? Double check. Style? Triple check. Easy to install? Like putting on a sock, but for your seats. Universal fit. Fits most cars like a glove, without the fuss. Machine washable. Because life's messy, but your car doesn't have to be. If you want to buy the product, the link are in the bio. Nissan seat covers for cars. Tired of uncomfortable, worn-out car seats ruining your driving experience? Our leather seat covers offer 3D foam support for ultimate comfort. Enjoy a stylish, luxurious interior with airbag-compatible, easy-to-install covers. Protect your seats from damage while enhancing your car's aesthetics. Upgrade now for a more enjoyable and comfortable driving journey. If you want to buy this product, the link are in the product of Nissan seat covers for cars. Protect your car seats with Motor Trend's waterproof neoprene covers. Enjoy a universal fit for most vehicles, ensuring easy installation. Airbag-compatible design offers safety without compromising style. Keep your vehicle's interior fresh and stylish effortlessly. Upgrade your ride today and experience premium protection. If you want to buy the link, Nissan seat covers. Dave slid into his car, feeling like he just wrestled a porcupine. His seat? A battlefield of crumbs, coffee stains, and mysterious claw marks. He sighed. This car deserves better. I deserve better. Enter CarPass Universal Fit Leather Seat Covers. Luxury, durability, redemption. If you want to buy this product, the link are in the bio.